In this video, I will show you exactly how to turn the classic NFS most wanted into a 2025 style Ramstead version, complete with ultra realistic graphics, stunning reflections, and next level lighting effects. We will be installing ReShade and the Modern Rockport HD texture mode. Together, they will completely transform your game's visuals into something breathtaking. So stick around till the end because I will walk you step by step through every installation process so you don't miss a thing. So what makes this setup feel like a brand new remaster built for 2025? Let's break it down. Alright, let's get to the fun part, installation. To keep things safe and easy, we will be downloading everything from the official verified sources. First, download the Modern Rockport HD texture mode. Click the first link in the description to get it from the official website. This mode replaces outdated textures with detailed 4K enhanced surfaces. Next, download the NFS most wanted resolution changer and the text mode utility. These are essential tools that let you apply custom textures and resolutions in game. Now download ReShade from its official website. That's the second link in the description. Make sure to grab the version with full add-on support for the best visual quality. Don't worry, these links are 100% safe and completely legal. So go to your download folder and extract the ReShade setup file. Copy all the extracted files and paste them into your NFS most wanted installation folder. Next, copy the resolution changer, text mode, and Modern Rockport HD files. Then paste them into the same directory. Now open the resolution changer tool. Set your desired resolution for this. Like for full HD, choose 1920 to 1080. So 4K ultra realism, set it to this and then close the program once done. Step 4 is installing and configuring ReShade. Run the ReShade setup file. When prompted, select speed.exe, the NFS most wanted executable file. Choose DirectX 9. Select all effect for installation. This ensures maximum visuals enhancement. Once everything downloads, enable the following recommended effects for the best results, like shape toggler to easily switch ReShade on and off, auto HDR for improved dynamic lighting, adjust depth to fix depth based visual effects, and screenshot for capturing high quality game shots. Disable any unused effect to maintain smoother performance, and click next, then finish once the installation completes. Now let's move to step 5, launch and apply the mods. Now let's bring it all together. Launch text mode and open textmode.exe. Set your target application by clicking the folder icon and selecting speed.exe. Next, click the folder icon, Modern Rockport 1.0.tpf texture pack. Now click run and your game will start with the new texture applied. It may take a little longer to launch the first time, so be patient. When you launch the game, ReShade will display on screen overlay. You need to press Shift plus F2 to open the ReShade menu. For ultra realistic visual, enable MXAO.FX for ambient occlusion and realistic shading, and if you want smooth and global lighting. So next is sharpen.fx to enhance clarity and details. If you want a small FPS boost, disable MXAO.fx but keep ambient light and sharpen active. Then click reload and close the menu. Finally, go into your game graphics settings and max out everything, texture quality, shadow and effects for the best possible experience. And there it is. Look at that transformation, the roads, building and skyline now look incredibly detailed thanks to Modern Rockport HD, while ReShade adds dynamic lighting, reflections, and cinematic color tones, making the game feel brand new. And that is it for today's video. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.